For this painting, I am using Camel acrylic colors and Brusto Watercolor paper 300 GSM. First, we are starting with sky. I am using Ultramarine Blue, Prussian Blue with a hint of light blue color. Strokes are very simple. You just have to give shades at different places. For lake, I am using only Prussian blue. Direct strokes left to right, nothing much to do in this. Coming to moon now, I am going to make a circle with white color and clouds surrounding the moon. If you want to learn more on this, you can watch my other video on how to make clouds. Now remember, always for clouds you are going to make in clusters. I am using little light blue color over here to shade my clouds. Now I am going to start with buildings. For buildings, I am using black color. First, we are going to make the structure of the building, and later on we will start with the detailing part. As you can see that I am making different buildings with different shapes and sizes using black acrylic colors. It's totally up to you what kind of buildings you want or how you want to make it. Now we are going to start with the detailing part. Over here, I am making lights with lemon yellow and white color. These are small dots. The upper one are actual lights and the lower ones are reflection. Now for the buildings, I am using lemon yellow color. It totally depends on you what kind of structure you want to give to the building and what detailing you want. You can use multiple floors, you can use lines, you can use blocks, you can make few lights. In this way you can give detailing to your buildings. Make sure you use lemon yellow color or chrome yellow to give shades to the lights. As you can see here, I am using lemon yellow, yellow ochre and white to give details to my building. Various blocks, lights and little shade of dark color. Now I'm starting with the reflection of moonlight. I'm using white color, a pinch of lemon yellow and Prussian blue to give shades. For final touch-ups, I'm making few modifications in the buildings opposite to the lake. I'm using red and yellow color. Finally, whatever touch-ups you have to give, you can give to your building in the forms of lines and floors. I just want to make few more clouds to give some real look. So over here, I'm giving random strokes using light blue color and Prussian blue. The clouds which are near to moon will be light in color, highlighting the moon again. I hope you liked the video. Let us know in the comment section. Thank you.